I'm out here in the woods, sun is setting down right there, so it's about to be night and it's going to be below freezing, so we need to start a fire. I'm going to challenge myself at the same time, put to the test this off-grid tools. This is Magnesium Flint with the striker, but completely redesigned. Let's see what it's all about. So if I need to start a fire in the woods, it's pretty easily, especially after storms and windy days. Look how many twigs laying around over here. It's been sunny all day, so hopefully all that is pretty dry, even though it was laying on the floor. So all I have to do is just gather a bunch of twigs and then we'll start the fire. These twigs are everywhere, especially those end ones right here, and they sound pretty dry. I'm in luck, found a really big branch fell down over here and it sounds so dry. Listen to that cracking. So all I have to do is just break it up. Another tool I'll use is cap axe. Nice. Sweet. Break up for the bigger twigs. That's how you want to use one of those camp axe for the firewood. Easy. We have lots of them now. Okay, I'm gonna start the fire around here. We have a record amount of rain around here. I wouldn't worry about fires, but I can grab a stick and move all this grass, dead grass, just in case. Boom. So that way I have plenty of space to make my bonfire. There you go. Anyways, let's improvise. I want to lay a few sticks over here to build the foundation. A mini upside down fire right here. And then I want really small twigs right here. The smaller the better. Also I can grab a leaf right here, and that's where I'm gonna chop up the magnesium in, and then I'm gonna strike it and then carry it over into this fire. I'll just set it on top right here. You know, I always look for cool survival stuff and I never seen this kind of tool. First of all, you got here foldable striker and the magnesium. Boom, unfolds like that. What do you strike it with? Guess what? This clip that you can put on your belt actually comes off like that, and you can use this as a steel. Also can opener right here and a little wrench. I don't think I'll ever use the wrench. And you have a mirror, so if there's a helicopter in the woods hard to see you, you can actually signal to the helicopter or aircraft. But do not do so for fun. You can only do that during the emergency, because that's actually illegal. And you got here thermometer. Right now it says like 45 degrees, something like that. And then you have here compass. Very cool. But the most important, can we start a fire with this? So I'm gonna scrape up a bunch of magnesium. Wow, look how easy it is to scrape up magnesium. Let me zoom in for you so that way you guys can see. This is not really sharp, but there's ridges, so that way actually much easier to scrape up a bunch of magnesium. There you go. We got that magnesium on fire almost, and there's few things on fire now too. Hopefully it will burn and let the magnesium on fire. Almost, but we lost it. You know what, I think I need more leaves to get those twigs going. Good thing there is a lot of leaves in the forest. Also I'm gonna grab this grass that burns a bit easier too. I miss coconut husk right now so much. But let's say you don't have any kindling, but whatever you can find in the forest. So I'm gonna scrape off a bunch of magnesium. If you use a knife, you could really make much better shavings of a magnesium. Same thing with this stuff. We got this on fire. The leaves are burning. You know what? Maybe make sure you have a knife with you, because with a knife it is a lot easier. And also it's a good idea to get lots of leaves, so that way the leaves are going to go, and if they burn out, add some more leaves till the sticks are going to start burning. Something really dry in the grass. Leaves and some sticks, mix it up, so that way we're going to get a good fire going. Add some more twigs just to get the little sticks going, and then I can add on bigger and bigger twigs. That dry grass works so well. Let's try this again just to show you that it's possible, and it is a lot easier to do it with a knife. So you shave off a bunch of magnesium, and then you want to shave off some of that stuff too without sparking it, because that's what it's going to ignite much easier. There you go. Do you see what I'm saying? And you got it on fire, but it didn't ignite all the way. There's more magnesium right there. Some shave off over here. Ferro rod. There you go. Got it going. Put another leaf on, something dry, and keep it going. This one not as dry, possibly. You see, whenever everything is wet, it is very difficult to do. So let's try this again. Shave up a bunch of stuff. I can feel so much heat coming off from those coals. It's actually nice. So now I'm gonna shave off this stuff. Kinda go slow. There you go. It got it on fire. This time I'm gonna put a lot more leaves in, and that way all the leaves are going to get on fire. There you go. Makes sense, right? It takes a bit of practice to do this, but once you figure it out, it's actually really easy. Well guys, I really like this tool because you don't have to worry about it getting wet, run out of, I don't know, fuel, because this magnesium and a striker, unless it breaks, will last you a lifetime. Obviously, how often you're going to use it? Even if you go camping all the time and only use this thing to start a fire, just to practice and make it really easy to use it for yourself, it's still going to last you a very long time. Anyways, let me know in comments below what do you think about this survival gadget, and of course don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.